I don't like the way he's chewing that stick and looking at me though. I'm trying not to look at him. It's like a serene atmosphere. Good morning from Phuket, guys. Good morning to you, to you, to you, to you, to you, to you. To God knows who, guys. I tell you, I just woke up. Good night last night. Didn't do too much, just chilled out. Had a couple of drinks, but check out my view from my new room, guys. Not bad, huh? You can see right up the high street. This high street is like this all the time, guys. Wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, look out the window, it's like this. 10 o'clock in the day, it's like this. Well, a lot busier. So we'll be at the first stop, guys. I don't know if I understood the man right, but I'm sure he said like the Serene Temple. But this looks like a market. He's brought us here to his mates to buy something, innit? Oh, no, I think he's talking about this beauty, guys. Look at it, wow. That is absolutely a stun. Been here since the 19th century, so hey, there's a fact you didn't think I know.
This temple is more than 200 years old.
Yeah, and built by what? 2 monks during the rebellion against the Chinese tin miners, and they kind of used it to like look after the welfare of any of the injured or wounded. It was like a safe haven for them. But it is magnificent. I can't remember the name of the monks. I think it's Chow and Pao. That's not their whole names, but look it up. Don't quote me what I'm saying, but that is a magnificent building.
But the real name we call Wat Chai Thararam. You say that Chai Thararam Temple.
Chai Talalam. Chai Talalam.
You know monk?
Yes.
Yeah, but you can see 3 of famous monks here. His name is Luang Po Cham, Luang Po Chuang, and Luang Po Kliam. They have protected the people here for a long time.
A lot different than what I thought I'd expect to see. I don't know what I thought I'd expect to see. I came in here with such low expectation, but well, these beautiful statues, they are like solid. Places like Uzi. For buildings that stood here for like over 200 years. Such interesting architectural features. I can't put my finger on it, guys, and I just don't know how to explain it, but being in a building of this magnitude, there's like a serene atmosphere. It's like you can almost really get a sense of the spirituality. I wonder what's in there. Maybe that's where the bad men went. I didn't listen, but that's the big Buddha. From here it looks absolutely like nothing, doesn't it? But it is, I think, probably the largest, or if not one of the largest Buddha statues here in Thailand. So there's a little sign here that says there was a Buddha's relic mantra, and I guess you did a chant which they've got documented here 9 times, then you make a wish, and you can see all the money where people have made those wishes in the past, and right now I'm wishing the door was open. Impressive hair, Solomon.
Very nice.
I think 200 years ago they had the savvy to design something like this. You know, architecturally it is superior. I mean, look, beautiful. Who can't appreciate that, huh? Tell me who cannot. It's still some of the like the gold peel coming off. I wonder if that's worth anything.
You,
Oh,
I got a change for you.
oh, that's so kind of you. Do I have to say a mantra or just
There is the mantra 3 times. You need to say it in tone of birth.
okay?
Then you do wish apparently you come back.
I come back.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You're such a kind lady. Thank you. I'm gonna wish that she subscribes. Prahang, Sokatok, Pakawa, Namad, Tajed. I think it's working, guys. I think it's working. Definitely working, guys. I've got the flowers coming up now. Praharakak, Sokatok, Pakawa, Namad, Tajed. So I'm gonna now. You see, the power of a wish, guys. It's powerful stuff. I prayed and wished, and then my disciples came. I'm making these little jokes, guys. That's the type of character I am. But no, it is. It's insanely. Like I said, it's a hard feeling to describe. Where you just feel like you're being connected with something spiritual. You feel it too, yeah? Hey, it's not just me. This is very interesting to watch, guys. They get these ladles or little bowls, and you think she's thirsty, right? No, just turns out her head is hot. Are they real? Is that real? I think they're real. I'm gonna touch one, but what if they are real? Maybe that's not real. They're not real. Oh, that is not easy. He's real. Again, real. We're happy to be here, guys. We have reached the Big Buddha. Now, this place, guys, is under some renovation. You can see the Big Buddha from here. We're gonna get closer to it. And fun fact for you lot, when we're doing my research for you guys, it is the third tallest statue, or Buddha statue I should say, in Thailand, following the big Thailand Buddha.
Right now the big Buddha is closed because 1 year and 5 months ago there was the big landslide behind the big Buddha over there.
Thank you. Look, this is the closest we're gonna get, guys, to the front of the Buddha. But you can kind of see it for all its glory, how pretty it is. Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
Really kind of you. I gotta say, that Thai music there, guys, I can't understand one little itchy, bitchy word, but it sounds fantastic. Look at that. Oh, I love to have got my drone up here. Look at that. Honestly, beautiful, man. Here we go, guys. Finally arrived at the Tiger Park. Are you ready? Brace yourself. Kind of going to see the babies because I don't know. It's my assumption that the giant tigers are probably going to be a little bit
Dele isim yaz.
Yeah, we had baby, yeah? I was just like, so you gotta sign this agreement, guys. Just in case you get eaten. We're not sure. I mean, East is gonna go do the big, so maybe he can tell us, but I think the big ones have got to be kept a little bit docile if they're gonna let strangers just come into the cage and stroke them. I mean, I'll be fine with it, I guess. Maybe it's probably a little bit of a fantasy of mine. No, but on a serious note, you know, how docile have you got to be? I'm gonna take back what I said about docile, guys. That does not look like a docile cat. And I suppose a lot of these wild animals are bred and kept in captivity. So maybe they're probably a bit more trained than I'm giving them credit for. However, I've seen a few YouTube videos out there where it's gone terribly wrong, man. When it's gone terribly wrong, it's gone terribly wrong.
Bayağı bildiğim olta atıyor bu. Silo.
Are the cats drug free or are they injected to stay calm?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No. She didn't understand.
No.
You need to put your bag there.
Okay. I think I put my hat there as well, just in case I look like a big lollipop. They're holding the tail and all sorts, man. Not for me. It's a respectful patting, and you know, keep it all respectable and above board, man. And so you got all these staff guys, I guess, trying to keep it distracted. So I don't think it's a. I think it's a natural cat. He's a good-looking boy.
He's a very good looking boy.
I don't like the way he's chewing that stick and looking at me though. I'm trying not to look at him. Wow. Drop a little note in the comments. Tell me what you guys think about this particular place, and generally how you feel about animals, wild animals being kept in captivity. And while, guys, I don't condone any animals being like kept in like captivity, obviously we don't know the story between these animals. They might be, you know, animals that have been bred outside of or inside captivity, outside the wild. So you know, maybe they won't be able to cope with the real what are going on out there, you know. Wow, hello, mister. Maybe he's just doing the Bear Grylls challenge, and that's just coming from the toilet. No, guys, so hope you guys are liking this content, guys. A little bit different, right? If you do, drop us a comment, guys. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Right, you can buy little keepsakes, guys. I've got myself that photo. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's about 300 baht. Maybe just shy of a tenner. I don't normally do things like that at places like this, but I think the money's going for a good cause, man. These guys are doing some really good work. It's a nice, clean facility. They're not just exploiting animals to make money, from what I can tell. Right, guys, next stop, Cashew Factory, which is quite good because I'm hungry. Okay, I've never seen a cashew tree, so look at it, guys.
We collect the cashew fruit from the tree. This one is just model for show. This one is not
Okay, so from the tree over there.
from the tree, right? And then we take the nut off by this. Take it out by hand.
By hand, so you take
And
it
we dry it in the sun for a few days. We just 3 days or 4 days.
4 days in the sun drying.
And after that, we boiling the nut in hot water, half an hour. This one after boil. So after boil, we break the shell like this. We put the seed here in the machine. So we need to crack 1, take out one. We need to do one by one of these because this one is difficult to put
So
in
this
the.
is a manual
yeah,
job. Manual job.
only.
Wow.
Yeah. So this one inside the nut. This one inside the seed.
So this is the seed.
Yeah. It's undercooked now, so we cannot eat right now.
Wow.
Yeah. So after this, we're gonna roast the nut again to make it dry. And after roasted, we peel all the skin again by hand.
By hand, all
One by
by
one
hand.
again.
Wow. So this is a green tea one, unusual. Again, that one was quite sweet. Yum, guys. Tom yum, I guess, is like a season here. That's how they look. This guy's getting his munch on. Delicious. Delicious, right? Delicious. Delicious. Sour cream and onion. My guy said they're delicious. He said Wangang style. Sour cream and onion, really nice. Oh, she's put some more out. Don't put more out. I eat them all. Keep it coming, yeah. Soul loves cashew nuts, so he's in his element right here. This is you're in your favorite area right now.
Favorite, mate.
Eating my chocolate-covered nuts. It's like a dark chocolate. Has got some sweetness. I'm getting my protein. Think, fella.
Good.
Good.
Very
Good, right?
Yeah.
Joe loves coconut anyway, but coconut and cashews, he's in heaven.
And chocolate as well. I mean coffee.
Their coffee is really unusual. My coconut is awesome. People are going around me, I'm so slow. What they are. It's got a little kick. You can handle it, it's nice. They're nice. Cashew nut bars. Good idea, man. I love a nut bar. I used to make these at school. Nut bar is amazing. Okay, I eat the whole plate. Is that okay? Oh, such beautiful people. They're like, go for it. What's this? Oh,
Try
plantain. Amazing. Dried fruit, guys. Like
Try this one, mate.
like freeze dried.
You need to try this one.
Freeze dried fruit. Amazing. I might have found a Thai green curry, guys. Yep. In there, truffle. Yep. Oh, cream, yeah.
Yes.
It's like the chocolate. I'm not gonna lie. And this coated cashew corn's gotta come, guys. Oh, wasabi.
Yeah, like this wasabi.
I'm getting some big tins here. I want a big.
Yeah, I want to be
You're a saleswoman, innit? She's pushing. Guys, she's a saleswoman. She's pushing.
That's the big.
So it's like twice the size of that.
Yes.
Okay, because I think the family will dig that. So, what do you think I spent, guys? I spent well over 20 quid. I know I have. But you come to these places once, and I think back home, Tracy and Amara love to taste this stuff, guys. I want to share the experience with them. So, and it's just good when people come over, we're like, oh, okay, would you like some wasabi cashew nuts? Oh, how sweet.
Yes.
Very kind.
Yes, it's your prize.
Is that my price?
Yes.
Welcome to the vibe. Yeah. Welcome to the ride. Hey. This is why Sun World. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to Wise on World. Come and take a look, real life stories every day. No script, no book, from the UK roots to the Turkish sky. Living every moment while the dreams fly high. So wherever you're watching, every boy and girl, hit subscribe and welcome to Wise on World. And remember, say it with a smile.